As the question says, a 250-gram block slides on a rough horizontal table. Find the work done by the frictional force in bringing the block to rest if it is initially moving at a speed of 40 centimeter per second. If the friction coefficient between the table and the block is 0.1, how far does the block move before coming to rest? Now what is happening in this question is that we are having a horizontal surface, that is a table, and a block over that with a weight of 250 grams, over which a frictional, which is actually moving at a speed of 40 centimeters per second, and there exists a friction on this surface which will be able to stop it in certain time. So we need to find how far it travels before actually stopping. So here we have the mass of the block being 0.25 kg, because we need to convert everything into the SI system. The initial velocity being 0.4, because we need to convert it into meter per second. And here we can say that the mass into acceleration is provided by the frictional force, which is obviously the velocity is in this direction and the frictional force will be opposing it, which is mass into acceleration, that is mu mg. Cancelling the factor of mass, we get acceleration equal to 0.1 into 9.8, giving us 0.98 meter per second square. Now we can easily apply the third equation of motion as 2as equals to v square minus u square, and putting the values over here we can find the s being 8.2 centimeters. Now friends, we have found out the s. Also we are having the initial velocity. So it is very easy for us now to calculate the work done, because the force is the frictional force whose magnitude we can easily calculate if we are having the mu over here and the mg as we know. So work done equals to minus, because the force and the motion are opposite, mu n, which is the normal reaction, s and cos theta. So here we will be taking it as, now friends, even if this time we will have to take cos theta equals to 1. In case you don't consider this minus sign, then cos theta will automatically become minus 1 because of 180 degrees. Now you will have to take it as 0 degrees because you took the minus sign, right? So we are getting that work done equals to mu, which is 0.1, normal reaction, which is actually the mass, that is 0.25, into the g, which is 9.8, the displacement s, that is 8.2 centimeters or 0.082 meters. Solving it further, we get the value, that is minus 0.02 joules, giving us the work done of this problem. But actually we needed to find out that how far does the block move before coming to rest. This is this distance, 8.2 centimeters.